So I wanted to be able to solve the problem for business owners when it comes to SEO. And there's a lot of different tactics, there's a lot of different opinions that come with this. And we had a lot of members asking us, hey, we designed our website on GoDaddy, or I designed it with this provider, or WordPress, or I did it on Wix, or I have this e commerce site over here that does this. Those are types of complaints that we got all the time. So when we redid simplybefound.com to be able to make things a lot more simple, when we built out our social media suite and we built out our listings piece that brings voice search registration in, we looked at what struggles and what things were not happening on most sites. Even ones that were done by an agency were having some of these same issues. So we looked at schema being wrong and different pieces not there right, heading tags that didn't match. We saw to where there was issues with titles, and there was issues with meta descriptions and alt tag or alt descriptions not being on images, and the list goes on for just stuff that we end up having. So there's a lot of people that will go out and they'll buy SEMrush, they'll buy this different software out there that's expensive, and then they have to go make those changes. And if you don't do those changes identically to what specifications are to what Google's requiring, Bing's requiring, or some of the voice search networks like Alexa, Siri, Cortana, or any of those. And then it ends up hurting that small business. It ends up hurting them and being able to get that whole entire struggle. So when we came in and we developed out our SEO pixel, we made it to where it works on any website. You put a code at the very top of the site, which is called a pixel. And once you insert that code, you don't have to give us any credentials. You don't have to give us any kind of access or control. What we're going to do is your marketing coach is going to go into our AI SEO tool. They're going to make the changes that are recommended. They're going to use AI to be able to speed that process up, but they're going to review each one of those steps. Once they review those steps and deploy it out, as long as that pixel is on your website, it's going to automatically publish to your website. And what's going to happen from there is it's going to make those changes. This brings all worlds together to where it's like having a full-time SEO person on. It's pulling data from your Google Search Console. It's pulling data from Google Analytics. It's making real-life decisions to be able to get your business found by more local customers to be able to get you the results. That is what is all behind the entire piece at Simply Be Found's AI SEO Pixel and why we created it and kind of how it's being used out there. I'd love to give any kind of feedback whatsoever that you might have on this, and I look forward to hearing it. Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't already subscribed or check us out at simplybefound.com or hit that like and that subscribe button. Thanks for watching.